mega shout out. Today guys, I'm gonna share with you how to make banana face masks for combination skin. Banana and papaya with rose water. Then you're gonna leave it on your face for 30 minutes before you wash it off with lukewarm water. Make sure your face is clean. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times in a week to get a very on our skin result. Papaya is very good when you are pregnant, if you eat a lot of it. Benefit of papaya or pawpaw for your skin: moisturizes skin image, shorter stalk. It clears pigmentation if a bout of acne has left you with scar, or if you are soft. Papaya with banana with rosemary water reduces wrinkles, reduces under eye dark circles, help treat eczema and porosis, treat melasma, remove tan, control acne breakouts, and remove fine lines and stop your once 3 to twice in a week. Okay, they are very good for your skin. They give you a healthy skin. And papaya whiten the skin as well. It clears pigmentation, like I said. If you include papaya and banana in your diet to clear away blemishes and acne scar as well. The eczema papain, also with the alpha axoric acid in papaya, act as a natural exfoliator and effectively dissolve dead skin cell. They can as well exfoliate dissolve dead skin cell on your face and help reduce the signs of aging. Some claim it to be as effective as retin A. The P contains eczemas that removes dead cells from the surface of the skin. This helps remove wrinkles and age spots from your face. I like it. Guys, it's good for my health. With it. This is the papaya and this is the banana. So I'm gonna scrape out some of this one and the banana. Then I'll show you the process. Then I got my rose glycerin. I got my rose water as well. Guys, you can use any kinds of rose water. Papaya, okay, guys. And my chopped banana. So I'm gonna blend them in a minute now. Then I'll show you the papaya and the banana. So I'll put it in here. That is it in here. Okay, that is it. Can you see it? Yeah. So I'm gonna put a little bit of rose water. Rose water. Make sure you have rose water too. Okay, rose water goes in there. Then I'm gonna be putting, this is optional, okay? I'm gonna be putting some honey. That is my honey. I'm gonna tip in some honey in there because I use it on my face. So you can just use only papaya and banana and rose water, not putting honey, or you can put both. Okay, it's all mixed up. So I'm going to demonstrate it and show you how I use it on my face. This face pack is for all skin type. Okay, face pack or face mask in there. Like I said before, I'll go and demonstrate it to you guys and share with you how I use it on my face. Okay, that is it. You see it? Hey guys, so guys, this is the papaya and banana mashed up and rose water and honey that I just did now. So I want to demonstrate it to show you guys what I use to make my face to look like this, the way it is on my skin. So this is it now. This is the papaya. They call it pawpaw. Okay. So you can use your cotton wood, or you can use your hand, or use a soft brush. This is the brush I keep aside for doing all this, my face masks. So I'm going to start applying it now. Make sure your face is clean, washed. Take off all the oil in your skin or makeup before you put in this application. Okay, guys. You're gonna go everywhere anyway, because I'm showing it to you guys. If I'm doing it, I do it in the bathroom. Take off all my clothes, use it to scrub my leg, my hands, all my body, and go in the shower. Okay? Look at it now. It's just that if it's in Africa, pawpaw is a bit cheap compared here. I bought two little pawpaw from the supermarket, from Morrison's, for £2 something, nearly £3. So it's very expensive. Pawpaw is not like in Africa where you see it cheap and you see it big. The pawpaw we get here are very tiny. They are very small like this, very small, you know. So this is what I do to my face, guys. I say, let me share it to you guys. If you feel this video is useful to you, you benefit from this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share me out to your community, leave your comment below the comment section. If you are not yet part of this amazing, unique family, press the red button and subscribe, and put on all the notification bell so that each time I upload the video, you will be there to watch it first. You will be part of this family to, you know, to see that we are all growing together. Okay, guys, and thank you. And that is it. I'm gonna leave it a while before I go and wash it off. Go and wash it off. Then this other one that is left, I'm gonna cover it with cling film and leave it inside the fridge. 2 to 3 days time, I will use this one up again. So guys, take care and stay safe, and bye. I love you all dearly and appreciate all of you, and I will not take any of you for granted. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your contribution. Take care, guys. I love you, Lord, guys. Thank you, and stay blessed, and bye-bye. Thank you. Bye, guys.